Yesterday, Discord introduced a new way to waste hours of your life earning colored pixels, and it is called quests. And they recycled this idea from those shady websites that are used to boost your social media by completing tasks ranging from watching a video and giving a like to downloading some software from app stores. So in case of Discord, you complete tasks, which are named quests, and those quests are somewhat game related. So you either watch a video game trailer, or you download a game and play it for some time, or you need to get a certain achievement in the game, and in return you will get orbs. Orbs are currency inside Discord, and you can exchange it for Discord cosmetics, such as badges, and you can also purchase Nitro, which is a Discord premium, using those orbs. So yesterday, this feature that was not available for everyone before was enabled for each and every Discord user. And there is no geo restrictions, so you can use Discord from any country and you will still be able to participate in those quests. Trouble is, some users don't see the quests themselves in the Discord app. And the reason for this is that your country is blocking Discord. Once again, Discord blocks nothing. Each and every Discord account has access to quests, and if you don't see them, that means that the internet providers in the country you reside disable access to Discord. Quite a few countries ban Discord. In some countries like China, it was blocked from the start, so you could never officially use Discord in China. In other countries, it used to work, however, they blocked it at some point, for example, Russia or Turkey. So if you are from that country, you are probably using some way to get around those restrictions, usually a VPN. And the method you use to access Discord doesn't work for the quests. Even if the rest of the Discord features are working, this particular new one is not working because Discord is banned in your country. So if you want to get the quests, you must figure out your VPN situation and get one which is working for all features in Discord. And this is the way to solve this problem. You don't need to change the country in your Discord profile. As soon as you log into Discord from a country which doesn't block it, you will have all the quests available on your account.
I'm the god of YouTube!
Like, subscribe, jingle bells.